So basically, our dealership, once we got the Polestar tune, this is what they gave us. This is the newer badge, the Polestar Engineering tune. So it says Polestar Engineered. What we don't like about it, well, I don't like about it, is this white. We're used to the blue one. So what I did was, I went ahead and went online and I found the original one, right? The blue one, right?
Yeah.
So they came with the Polestar surface cleaner and everything. This is just your alcohol patch. So not nigalai.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so here it is. Looks great. I think the color combo, the blue Polestar badge, is much better than the white one they gave us, because this is already kind of light color. So this kind of creates a whole contrast. You got your R design, your all-wheel drive, and the Polestar tune. So I'm really digging this car. I think it's definitely is nicer than the Lexus, right?
Yeah.
So overall, that's it. That's it guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.